Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to put a grab bar in your shower because nobody wants to slip in the shower. Okay. Hi, thanks for coming back. Today we're going to put a grab bar in our shower. I've slipped in the shower before and I don't want it to happen again. So we're getting up in years and we don't want to slip in the shower. Today I'm going to show you how to put up a grab bar. We're getting up in years and we don't want to slip in the shower. You're going to need a few tools. You're going to need a power drill, a measuring tape, a grease pencil, a level, and some screws and anchors. But first, what I'm going to do... Hi again. Today I'm going to show you how to put up a grab bar. We're getting on in years and we don't want to slip in the shower. This side with my grease pencil, and then check it with a level. Any level will do.
Good.
All right, so that needs to be the bubble right between the lines, and that's working just fine. I'm going to mark the 3 holes that I'll use for my screws. Okay. Really lean into it. All right, there we go. Now I want to set the anchor and tap, tap, tap. Nice. Now really lean into it. There we go. So really lean into it. Anchor. And we're all done.
You're not done.
And we're all done. Gonna set it in. Rock solid, we are done. Rock solid, we're done.
2 and action.
Rock solid, we're done.
Good.
Rock solid, we're done.
Look at.
Rock solid, we're done. Rock solid, we're done.
Great.
Now just test it for strength. Voila!
Good. Really look like you're tugging on it though.
Now test it for strength. And we are done.
Good. Again, and action.
Now we test it for strength. And voila!
Good.
Strong. Voila!
Good. Look like you're really tugging on it.
Strong. Voila!
Good. Good. And action.
Oh, that's nice and strong.
Good. That was a good one. Again.
That's really strong.
Good. And now say.
Test for strength. Voila!
Good. Look at this camera this time.
Test for strength. Voila!
Good. Test it for strength.
Now just test for strength. Voila!
That's nice. Do that again.
Now just test for strength. Voila!
Good.
There we go.